Good day, grade 2. Welcome to our discussion for Mathematics 2, the properties of addition. But before that, let us all know first what is addition. Addition is taking two or more numbers and adding or combining them together. There are parts of addition. So we have here examples of addition. We have 31 plus 12 is equal to 43. And 31 and 12 is what we call the addends. Addends is the two number that we add together, or this is the two numbers that being added together. So next one is this one, the cross. It looks like a cross, but this is the plus sign. So if you see this sign, it means that the operation that you are going to use is the addition. Again, this sign is a plus sign or the addition sign. Next is this. This is the equal sign. This indicates that the two equation is equal. And next, this one is what we call the sum. Sum is the answer if we add two or more numbers. We can write the addition in this way: horizontal and the vertical. It is the same, so it's up to you how you write it. So next is the properties of addition. We have three properties of addition, and these are the commutative property of addition or the order property. Second, this is associative property of addition or the grouping property. And lastly is the identity property of addition. So let's talk about first the commutative property of addition, or also known as the order property. Okay. Changing the order of addends give the same sum. So it means if you change the position of the addends, the answer is still the same. So for example, we have here 6 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 6. So let us show how it goes. So let's start with 6 plus 7. So I have here a beads. So we have here at the first one we have 6 beads in here, and we have here 7 beads. So if we add the beads, or if we count the beads all together, we will count 13 beads. So now let's proceed to the next one. If we change the position of the addends, so in the first one, the addends 6 is in your left and the 7 is in your right. Now we change it. We change 7 and position it in your left, and the 6 is in your right. So I have here again the beads. So if we combine the beads and we can count the beads, 7 plus 6 is still equal to 13. So that is how commutative property of addition works. Even if you change the position of addends, you can still get the same exact answer. So next is the associative property of addition, or also known as the grouping property. So associative property of addition is changing the grouping of addends gives the same sum. So you have to change the grouping of the addends. Even if you change the grouping of the addends, the sum is still the same. Example, we have here 6 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 7 plus 3. So as you can see, it looks the same, but the difference in the two is the grouping. In first number, we have 6 plus 7. In second, we have 7 and 3. So as you can see, there is an open and closed parenthesis, this one. This one, okay? So This open and close parenthesis is what we call the grouping symbol. This grouping symbol tell us which number should be added first. So let's see how the associative property works. So I have here again, first is the 6 plus 7 plus 3, and the grouping symbols is in 6 and 7. So I have here again the beads. So first we have 6 beads, second we have 7 beads, and in the third we have 3 beads. So as the symbol tell us, we need to add first the 6 and 7. So 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. After adding the 6 and 7, we need to add next the 3. So 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. So that is how the grouping in 6 and 7 work. So let's proceed to the next one. 6 plus 7 plus 3, and the grouping symbol is in the 7 and 3. So we have here again the beads. The difference is we will start to add the 7 and 3. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So next, let's add the 6, of course. So 6 plus 10 is also equals to 16. They have the same answer. So that is how associative property of addition, or the grouping property, works. Next is the identity property of addition. Identity property of addition is adding 0 to any number give the same number. So it means that any number that you add the 0, the answer is the number. Example, I have here 7 plus 0. So let's try to show it in the beads. So I have here the beads. I have here 7. And in this, we have no beads because it's 0. So 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. That is how identity property of addition. Adding 0 to any number give the same number, or the answer is the same number. So that is the properties of addition. So this is the end of our lesson. I hope you learned something from the properties of addition. I thank you for watching and listening. Till next time. Bye.